Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Great to see you again.
Today, you will learn how to ask for help in English. This is English conversation practice for beginners.
Yes, after this video, you can ask for help politely and feel confident.
We all need help sometimes, right, Mike?
Absolutely. At work, at the store, with directions, asking for help is super important.
Before we start, if you're new here, welcome. We make English easy and fun.
If you like learning English this way, please subscribe and click the bell.
And give us a thumbs up. It really helps us.
You can also share this video with your friends who are learning English.
Okay, let's get started.
Sarah, why is asking for help important?
Well, imagine you're in a new city. You're lost, you need help, but you don't know what to say.
That's scary.
Right, but if you know how to ask politely, people are usually very happy to help you.
That's true. Asking for help is not rude, it's normal.
Exactly. And today, we'll teach you simple, polite ways to ask. We'll practice together, so don't worry. It's easy.
Let's start with the most basic question.
The simplest way to ask is, "Can you help me?"
Yes. Can you help me?
Listen to that. Can you help me?
You can also say, could you help me?
Oh, what's the difference?
Could is a little more polite, but both are good.
Got it. So, can you help me or could you help me?
Perfect. Let me ask you, Mike, can you help me with this box?
Of course, I can help you.
See? Easy and natural. Now, sometimes you need to say what you need help with.
Right. For example, can you help me find the bathroom?
Or, could you help me carry these bags?
Let's practice that. Mike, could you help me open this door?
Sure, no problem.
Notice I said what I need help. Help me open this door.
That's really helpful for the other person.
Exactly.
Now, we want to sound polite, right, Sarah?
Yes, we can add please to make it even nicer.
Can you help me, please?
Or, could you please help me?
Where does please go?
You can put it at the end or in the middle. Both work.
Okay, let me try. Sarah, could you please help me with my English homework?
Of course, I'd be happy to help.
Ah, I'd be happy to help. That's a nice answer, too.
Yes, when someone asks you for help, you can say, sure, or of course, or I'd be happy to help.
Those are all friendly responses.
Now, here's another polite way to start. Excuse me.
Oh, yes. Excuse me, can you help me?
Perfect. You use this when you're talking to a stranger.
Like in a store?
Exactly. Excuse me, can you help me find the milk?
That sounds very polite.
It is. Let's practice. Mike, pretend I'm in a store.
Okay?
Excuse me, could you please help me? I'm looking for batteries.
Sure. Batteries are in aisle 5.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Let's look at some real situations where you might need help.
Good idea. First situation, you're lost.
Okay. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the train station.
Sure. Go straight, then turn left.
Thank you.
See how simple that was?
Very simple. Next situation. You don't understand something.
This happens a lot when you're learning English.
Right. You can say, can you help me understand this?
Or, could you explain this to me, please?
Let me try. Mike, I don't understand this word. Could you explain it to me?
Of course. Which word?
Perfect example. Now, situation 3. You need someone to do something.
Like what?
Maybe you need someone to take a photo.
Oh, excuse me, could you take a photo of us, please?
Exactly. That's very common when you're traveling.
Here's another one, asking for directions.
Yes. Excuse me, can you help me? How do I get to the museum?
Or, could you tell me where the nearest bank is?
These are super useful.
Now, what if you need help at work?
Good question. At work, you might say, do you have a minute? I need some help.
Oh, I like that. Do you have a minute?
Yes, because you're being polite about their time.
That's respectful.
You can also say, when you have time, could you help me with this?
That's nice because you're not demanding immediate help.
Exactly.
We have more examples coming, so stay with us.
Yes, we'll practice everything again at the end, so keep watching.
Sarah, what if someone asks me for help? How do I answer?
Great question. There are many ways to say yes.
Like what?
You can say, sure, of course, no problem, I'd be happy to.
Those all sound friendly.
They are. Let me ask you, Mike, can you help me move this table?
Sure, no problem.
Perfect. Now, what if you can't help?
Ah, that's important too.
Yes, you can say, I'm sorry, I can't right now.
Or, I'm sorry, I'm busy at the moment.
Exactly. You're polite but honest.
That makes sense. Can I practice? Sarah, could you help me?
I'm sorry, I can't right now, but I can help you later.
Ah, that's good. You offer to help later.
Yes, that shows you care.
I like that.
Now let's learn some other ways to ask for help.
More options?
Yes, you can say, would you mind helping me?
Would you mind?
This is very polite. Would you mind helping me carry this?
That sounds formal.
It is a bit formal but very polite.
When would you use that?
Maybe with your boss or someone you don't know well.
Got it. What about with friends?
With friends, you can be more casual. Hey, can you give me a hand?
Give me a hand means help, right?
Exactly. Can you give me a hand with this?
That's nice and casual.
Another one. I need your help.
Simple and direct.
Yes. Mike, I need your help with something.
I'm listening.
See? It works.
Here's one more. I'm having trouble with this. Can you help?
Oh, that's good. I'm having trouble means you're struggling.
Right. So you're explaining why you need help.
Exactly.
Okay, let's practice some sentences together.
Great. Repeat after me. Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
Good. Excuse me, I need some help.
Excuse me, I need some help.
Perfect. Could you please show me where the exit is?
Could you please show me where the exit is?
Excellent. Would you mind helping me with this?
Would you mind helping me with this?
Great job.
Now you try at home too.
Okay, let's quickly review what we learned today.
We learned how to ask for help politely.
The basic phrases are, can you help me and could you help me?
Add please to be more polite.
Start with excuse me when talking to strangers.
You can also say, I need your help, or can you give me a hand?
And remember to explain what you need help with.
Right. Don't be afraid to ask for help. It's normal.
People usually like to help.
Now it's your turn to practice.
Yes, in the comments, write a sentence asking for help in English.
For example, you can write, excuse me, can you help me find a good restaurant?
Or, could you please help me with my English?
We'll read your comments and reply.
This is great practice for you.
Don't be shy. Write in the comments below.
We can't wait to read them.
Thank you so much for watching today.
We hope you feel more confident asking for help in English now.
Remember, practice makes perfect.
Tomorrow, we have a new video talking about hobbies in English, beginner conversation practice.
You'll learn how to talk about what you love to do.
So subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember,
English doesn't have to be hard.
goodbye.
See you tomorrow.